We are the STARS group. We made the rocket. We use a scientific method. Our members are Jory, Seraj, Hana, and Malak.
Do you remember what happened to the balloon when we mixed vinegar with baking soda?
Yes, the balloon inflates because the reaction produces gas.
So what will happen if we put vinegar and baking soda in a bottle? Do you think it will push up like a rocket?
Let's try and find out.
I think the rocket will push up into the air just like a balloon inflate.
To do this experiment, we're gonna use bottle, vinegar, baking soda, paper, and tape.
We decorated the bottle to make it look like a real rocket. We put vinegar and baking soda, and we put the rocket upside down and step back and watch it launch.
The rocket pushed up into the air. The reaction between vinegar and baking soda helped the rocket launch because it produced carbon dioxide gas. Our prediction was correct.